Hey there, hope you're doing great. Welcome back to my channel. Guys, did you know people form an opinion about a brand in less than 5 seconds just from the logo? Crazy, right? That's why having a sleek and memorable logo is super crucial. Whether you're a graphic designer in a creative rut or a new startup owner hunting for the perfect logo, this video is your golden ticket. My name is Mahesh Sopari from Collabic, and in today's video, I'm going to unveil the secret of generating amazing logo ideas with a unique logo design tool. Ready to dive in? But before, if you'd like to discover my favorite strategy which is making me around $5,000 to $10,000 from comfort of my home, then I request you to please visit the first link in the description down below, get registered and watch my free masterclass. Now, let's get started. First thing first guys, open up gravitywrite.com. So you can access it from the second link in the description down below and try it for absolutely free. So once you're on the website, click on start writing for free and get registered. So once you're successfully registered, you would be head over to the dashboard and there you would be finding image prompts section and click on logo design ideas. If you can't find it, just type it in the search bar. Once you're there, this magical tool is what we are going to use to spark some creative logo design. Next, just type in your product or brand name, then add a brief description of what your business is all about. Then after, click create and watch the magic happens. Gravity Write will conjure up several detailed logo ideas for you. And these ideas include different types of logos and color schemes. The best part, each prompt is unique, as you can see, giving you plenty of options to choose from. Find the one that vibes with your brand and use it as your creative springboard. Now, if designing a logo manually isn't your thing, no worries and don't sweat it guys. Gravity Write got another trick up our sleeve. Copy the prompt you like and use Gravity Write's AI image generation tool. So here, jump back to the Gravity Write dashboard and click on Image tab and you'll see a variety of image styles. But since we are already got our prompt, just paste it in the description box, select your desired image quality and hit generate image. In a matter of seconds, your custom logo will appear. Not feeling it? Just click regenerate for a new design, and once you got the logo you love, remove the background to get a clean, transparent version. And then after, click download and voila, your logo is ready to shine. That's a wrap guys. See how easy that was? Now you can create stunning custom logos for your brand in no time. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that it would be motivating me to create new content, as well as you get notified if I drop any new video on my channel. And also, if you are interested in my favorite strategy which is making me around $5,000 to $10,000 every month from comfort of your home, then I request you to please visit the first link. And if you like to try out Gravity Write for absolutely free, then please visit the second link in the description. Thanks for hanging out guys with me, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye.